Recreation.
And we're here today to show you how to make your own Christmas garland. We have oranges and cranberries.
So to get started, we cut all of our oranges into just thin slices, and we bake them in the oven at 220 for 3.5 hours. So you want to bake them till they're a little bit translucent. And then we have cranberries. We would recommend buying fresh cranberries for this task. And then you just have a needle and thread, and you just string it on your thread, and it ends up making a beautiful garland. And if you want, you could add some other festive things like cinnamon sticks or bells, and just be creative and do it however you'd like.